Hi, guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix handoff not working between iPhone and Mac. Handoff is one of Apple's most useful continuity features, allowing you to start a task on your iPhone and instantly continue it on your Mac or vice versa without missing a beat. Whether you are drafting an email, browsing Safari, editing a document, or copying and pasting between devices, Handoff is designed to make your Apple ecosystem feel pretty seamless. However, after a software update or due to incorrect settings, Handoff may suddenly stop working, preventing your devices from communicating properly. But fret not, because I have got you fully covered with some quick fixes. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, I will recommend you to disable and enable the handoff on your iPhone. Yeah, you got that right. More often than not, it has helped me resolve the problem. So I'm pretty sure it would come in handy for you as well. Just head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose general. Then you have to select AirPlay and continuity option. Then you have to disable the toggle for handoff. After that, you have to restart your iPhone. And once your iPhone has rebooted, go back to the same general section and then turn handoff back on. Then ensure that your devices have both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. They play a major role in making this feature work like a charm. Many times you can resolve the handoff issues by just signing out of your account and signing back in. So just head over to the settings app. Then you have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. Then you have to hit sign out. When prompted, make sure to keep everything on your device to ensure none of your data is lost. On your Mac, head over to the System Settings app. Then you have to click on Apple ID banner. After that, you have to choose Sign Out and confirm it. Once again, when prompted, make sure to keep everything on your device. Then you have to restart both your devices and sign back in using your same Apple ID and password. And finally, I would recommend you to update both your devices, because I suspect that a software bug could be causing the problem and preventing handoff from functioning properly. So head over to the settings app on your device, then choose general. After that, select software update. Then you have to download and install the latest version of iOS or macos on your device, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily fix handoff not working problem on iOS and macOS. When handoff stops working, it can interrupt with the smooth workflow that makes using Apple devices so convenient. Thankfully, checking your Apple ID, enabling the correct continuity settings, verifying Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections, and updating your devices can let you fix the problem more often than not. Hopefully, you have managed to get a better at the problem, and now handoff has started to work like a charm as you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.